TT's family Tate celebrations include a toast of Vietnamese rice wine.
Happy water. Happy water.
This and the main meal marks the transition between the old and the new year.
Yay!
40 relatives have crammed themselves in here just for the celebration. That says something.
You know, I think lots of cultures would say that family was important to them, but there aren't many who have an altar at the top of their house where they go and regularly visit and speak to their ancestors. Is it just like paying your respects to the past, or is it more than that?
It's not only respecting the past, it's because people believe the spirit helping the people in their life. So you're offering something to them today. That means you invite them to come to enjoy the dinner with you, with the family.
So is that a belief then that now your ancestors are here with us, enjoying this family occasion with us?
Of course it is.
I like that a lot.
This celebration isn't just honouring your ancestors, it's including them in the present. And knowing that one day, in turn, you'll each take your place on the altar makes people feel part of something bigger than yourself, a through line through history. Honestly, it's making me rethink a few things.
You know, I think that everyone in the West has this idea that the Vietnam War was about communism versus capitalism. But for you, what was it about? What were you fighting for?
Thì khi chiến đấu là người ta luôn luôn nghĩ về gia đình mình. Đấy, và cái điều đấy là cái động lực để người ta phải phấn đấu hết mình. Quyết chiến đấu, không sợ hy sinh. Hy sinh vì Tổ quốc nhưng cũng vì gia đình.
Through all of Vietnam's change and challenges, those traditional family values have remained. Honouring traditions while charging forwards. In Vietnam, those things aren't opposites. They're entwined. So it's no surprise to me that the New Year's Day celebrations continue with a strong family theme. I've come in traditional dress with TT, his sister, and his nieces to Kurong Temple, a 700-year-old shrine honouring Vietnam's ancient national heroes. We're making offerings for protection and prosperity in the year ahead, just like generations have done before.
When you're walking on these steps, are you like your great-great-great-grandfather walked on these steps?
Of course, because it's not only my great-grandparents' spirit, but also you can see hundreds of other people following.
New Year here isn't just about resolutions and hope for the future. It's also about putting to rest the victories and grievances of the year just gone and beginning again. And it's also a reminder you didn't get here on your own. Every step forward rests on those who came before.
You look so good!
Here
Look
we go.
at you.
Sing that.
Those younger than you are given lei chi, red envelopes with lucky money. It's a small way for the elders to say, we care about your future.
Chào cảm ơn.
You look so good!